much the home screen of the AI application. It's a very simple AI art application which edits your photos similar to these. So all you have to do is just pretty much upload a clear photo of yourself and you're pretty much good to go. So you can scroll and you can see a lot of these, as you can see here, a lot of these here which you can use. You can scroll across and see others as well. You can scroll across and see others as well. All you have to do is just select whichever one you want to use. For example, let's say the actor style option. You select this one here and then you tap on choose a style. And you'll be able to, it will pretty much load up your gallery section. All you have to do is just select a clear image of yourself. For example, one of these here, and I'm going to select that option there. And this is pretty much an ad, so do keep in mind this application is full of ads. So once the ads is finished, just tap on the point forward option there and the X. So as you can see, it will ask you to adjust it a bit, and you're going to need to watch 3 ads before you'll be able to generate the image. So that's really pretty much it, and I'm gonna just watch these 3 ads real quick.